Hello everybody, welcome back to this video. Let's look at inflation data in US, in Canada, and we're gonna look at what's going on in Zimbabwe. Apparently, the president uh, is pushing gold coin as a cure for runaway inflation over there for or at least 15 years of runaway inflation. We're gonna look at the Bitcoin price of a year. So what Bitcoin is doing, you're gonna look at gold price as well. And yeah, so let's go. Of a year, we got Canada inflation could be at peak, but that is little relief for central bank. So it's really funny when you look at those headlines. Inflation is at peak. Really, what they want you that what they want you to believe is basically they want you to think that inflation is at maximum now, right? So that's the maximum it's gonna be. So it's never gonna be higher than that, right? That's what peak mean. So, but the truth is, the peaking inflation, this peak is just a transitory, right? So it's not like permanent. It's like uh, it's just passing by this high. But I think inflation, the real inflation is in double digit already, and we're gonna see dollar numbers of inflation will go to double digit in a very short period of time. So for now it's at 7-8%. Now next couple months probably gonna be at 10, 20, 10, 15% in by the end of the year. So something to expect. So I'm not like I'm not gonna listen to anything they're saying, because they are saying this in one hand, and the other hand they are you know they want to send stimulus check to everybody. Uh, the cure for inflation to them is more inflation. So this is the problem. And you see over here, you see millions of Californians will get inflation relief of up to $1,050 a year. The other states giving residents do a direct check cash payment. So yeah, so you have other states giving resident direct cash payment. Yeah, this is really weird. What is going on over here? It's like yeah, you have to cure inflation with more money printing. It's really absurd. Those Keynesians, what they believe. So now let's go on to gold. Basically, as the price of gold is about 1818. Pretty much okay. Gold is pretty solid. Um, as you know, I like all gold as well because gold has is been proven itself as like sound money for a long period of time. So I like to see gold. Like you see the countries like Zimbabwe, calling out for gold. Right? The government of Zimbabwe has announced its intent to lower its inflation rate by putting up a series of gold coins for sale. Now, here's the thing. Here's a trick. Right? They created the inflation themselves. Okay, the same president, right? So now he's saying, "Hey, we're gonna put some gold coin for sale." Now they're gonna buy it and they're gonna sell it to you, so you buy it from them, right? They are the one who already caused the problem, right? They bring a solution, right? Even if they sell it from you, what do you think? They're not gonna take it back when they see everybody using it, right? They're not gonna devaluing it, right? So they probably gonna like give you some fake gold, right? So all of those things are like up for debate. And so let's look at the basic over here. You can also look at the price of gold from the CMC Coin Market Cap as well. You can go for Pax Gold over here. It will give you some price, right? It will give 1820, 18,020, 1820, like $20. So this is basically what gold is doing. So it's pretty much okay. It's just consolidating over here, but I think gold is gonna peak pretty soon or even by the end of the year. That's in my opinion, not financial advice. So, and you have the basically the Bitcoin price over here, which is on basically fire sale, right? So that's the price in this bundle over here. So I remember when people was buying over there, when it was in FOMO, everybody was FOMO in, and all those Google website was blowing up with Bitcoin search. Right now it's down. That's a good time to build. That's a good time to educate yourself, to learn. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm teaching you the importance of this technology. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about protecting yourself, and don't get deviated, don't get distracted by those altcoin. Most of them are scams. So I'm not saying all of them, but most of them are scams, and you need to know how to protect yourself and insulate yourself from all those scammers. And this channel I dedicated specifically for newcomers into the space. So teach yourself about what is necessary, how to use the Lightning Network, how to you know how to DCA, right? So I always show you guys the DCA website. Uh, um, so you know, right, what is the best, right? So strategy for yourself and your family, DCA, right? Basically, you put $10 every week for 3 years. Here's how much you're gonna get, like 4,000, uh, and then you would have like a 163% um, upside potential you would have. So this is all those things that I teach over here, and I teach a lot of other skills as well. I teach you about like securing your Bitcoin, holding your send your Bitcoin to your own hardware wallet, and I teach you about Bitcoin node, right? How to set up your own Bitcoin node. So run your own Bitcoin node, so you're not a slave of somebody else. So I have a few of those videos down there. And yeah, the Lightning Network as well. I go over that, and in the future I'm planning on making more and more video about the Lightning Network. How can you set up your own node and connect to other peers in the network, so you can um, generate some yield on your Bitcoin through the Lightning Network. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what I did wrong. Just give me some feedback. What would you like me to do more? So I know what best type of structure I can make for this channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This was Spy Cover, and I will see you again.